decided to get a new car. 17 days later, here I am. I believe the issue is the thermostat housing has cracked. All the coolant came out of the car at the grocery store yesterday. Luckily, the grocery store is about 5 blocks from the house, so I was able just to drive it home. Amazon still hasn't delivered the package yet, so waiting on the part. This is the part right here that I got to get off. It looks like there's 4 hoses into it, 3 bolts, and then a gasket surface. So to pull this connector off, wow, look how brittle that is. Jeez. Go to this one first. All right, there we go. All right, here's one down. Gosh, put this clamp in just the perfect bullshit location. There we go. Looks like there's one more under there. Luckily, the hose clamp is in the exact wrong position. Let's see if I can get, maybe I can get these 3 bolts out. Might have to get an extension and come underneath for that one. But these top 2 should be okay. All right. So 124K. I just hit 127,000 over the weekend. Do you think the oil was changed at 124 also? All right, here's bolt number 3. And let's see if I can, there we go. Move this guy around a little bit. Let's go to this back one first. See if we can. There we go. Now that worked like it's supposed to. I think. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, there it goes. Sometimes you just gotta break it. When I break the seal, not the part. All right, let's see if I can. And I can get to this one now. So I like this hose clamp tool. It is way better for me than using a pliers or a needle nose, but it's a little trickier. There's a lot more going on. Anyway, so here's the fail. Oh, there's the failure. Can you see it? See how it just split right there? Huh. Let's see if my part was delivered yet. Hey, there's my part. Looks pretty much identical. Yep, that's gonna work. Dang, I should probably install the good part. All right, get in there. There we go. And oh yeah, that's gonna work. Just let me pull that off a little bit and see if I can squeeze it in a little bit more. There we go. Maybe I'll just try to put this on out front. So I'm guessing I would recommend taking the 3 bolts out first and then removing the hoses. There we go. Anyways, if I do that again, I'll do a different order on there. Oh, I think I was starting it in the incorrect. I think I was trying to push it in there. Actually, let me see. Maybe I can just get this, squeeze this in here. Oh yeah, I think that went. All right. All right, I got those pretty much started. Now let me jump, see if I can get this bottom one started. Okay, there we go. That's good. Now I do have a bad habit of not tightening fasteners enough because I'm scared I'm going to break stuff. So, you know, it is what it is. Yeah, I am sure that will be sufficient. I forgot to hook up the coil pack. It'll start a lot better now. Well, I guess that's a fix. I'm driving it to work tomorrow. It was nice to... So when I was underneath there diagnosing, I really did have a hard time seeing that crack or the opening of the plastic part just because of the location, but I could tell that none of the fluid was coming out of any of the 4 hoses because I could touch the part and make it leak. So I knew it was the plastic thermostat housing, and it was nice to see that it opened up, or you know, that I had a positive diagnosis. I mean, you can't always get it 100% just by inspecting. Sometimes you have to take some stuff apart, and a $30 housing really isn't that expensive, and it was a pretty fast repair. Thanks for watching. Hope you got some entertainment out of that, and I'm glad that I have a car to drive to work tomorrow. All right, have a good one. Thanks.